Yeah.
6, 7, 8. Oh, ready. Okay. It's all about the beat. L. U. Oh yeah.
Oh, I think that I found myself a savior.
Oh yeah.
Hey, right there, like I need him.
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. B, 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 L, U. C, C, E, A, N. B, L, U. C, N. Who are we? Blution! Five, 6, 7, 8. If you like it, say go big blue. Go big blue! If you like it, say go big blue. Go big blue! 1, 2, 3, blue
Nice.
All right, I want to explain it. Hey, stay there, stay there. We're going to explain it. Kelly, hold the flame. Explain the team name first.
So we're Blution, and what Blution means is blue ocean, and it really represents how Jesus walked on water. The verse we picked was when the disciples saw him walking on the lake, they were terrified. "It's a ghost," they said, and cried out in fear. But Jesus immediately said to them, "Take courage, it is I, don't be afraid."
Matthew 14.
This Bible verse it talks about having faith in God, and it's about Peter and Jesus, about Peter's walk of faith in the water with Jesus. Because he didn't have faith in the walk, he lost control and he drowned. So this is why we picked the verse, to have faith in the walk.